Ubit Angel, Wikino Chivayo, and Shepard Bushiri have mastered the art of deception, exploiting faith and political patronage to amass vast fortunes while ordinary Zimbabweans suffer. Sandamina mashoko atona kuti aiwa panapa there is a rei picture rakomana aiwa vana Bushiri nana Chivayo nana Ubit Angel vakomana kubato one kunzi aiwa ndozvigananda izvi ndo vakomana vanonyembidzira kuva maprophets but panguva ino vari kunzi they are also taking part in fueling state funds because subscribe or like or on the bell kuti mina zvimbadanyira chiti ana president Emmerson Mnangagwa say kleptocratic rule. These three figures have built empires of corruption using religious institutions as cover for financial crimes, fraud and illicit dealings. Appointed by Mnangagwa as Zimbabwe's ambassador at large, Hubert Angel has been instrumental in the looting of gold, particularly smuggling it to Dubai and other corrupt Middle Eastern networks. Al Jazeera's Gold Mafia documentary exposed him on a tape facilitating money laundering for international criminals under the use of diplomatic immunity. Rather than using his position to save Zimbabweans, Angel manipulates faith to fund his opulent lifestyle, shielding himself behind religion while securing protection from prosecution. Wikino Chivayo awarded multi-million-dollar government contracts without proper tendering. He infamously pocketed $200 million from the Gwanda Solar Project without delivering anything. Instead of facing prosecution, Chivayo flaunts his wealth, lavishing gifts on Zambian elites and bribing his way into political circles. The Malawian preacher Shepard Bushiri, a close ally of Angel and Chivayo, is a fugitive from South Africa, wanted for fraud and money laundering exceeding 100 million rands. He prophesied Kembo Mohadi's rise to Zimbabwe's vice presidency and maintained close ties with Mnangagwa's inner circle. Using religion as a shield, Bushiri continues to exploit followers while laundering money through Zimbabwe's corrupt networks. Ndomashoko atinoti vakomana ava vari vatatu wauya panapa vachifumurwa wauya panapa vachiexposwa vachinzi aiwa these are fake religious leaders, they are just there aiwa kuuya vachizokonzeresa safari munyika. Imbotizai mafungiro enyu matodei pamusoro pechiitiko ichi ina comment section medu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.